Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can sell products online with Gumroad. So let's see how. First I will go to my dashboard here, and now I will go to products. Then I will press on new product here. I will choose digital product. However, if you wanna do any of these other options, it's up to you. You can sell a course or tutorial, you can sell ebook, you can sell newsletter, audiobook, membership, and more. So it's up to you. However, for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to use digital product. Now we are going to identify the price as $30. Then I will name the product as black t-shirt. Now let's press on next to customize our product. Here you have three tabs: the product, the content, and the share. So first of all, you need to update your product information. So here is the name. You can edit any description you want for the product. You can insert, for example, the available sizes. You can insert the material of the product, and so on and so forth. And here is the URL. Here you can insert your custom domain. However, I'm going to just leave these cells blank. And here you can update an image of your product. So you can use computer files or external link or Unsplash. In my point of view, it's not sensible to use Unsplash to use a preset image for your own product. Your own product needs to have an image from your own device, because you are selling a specific product and you are the only one who has its image. So here I will just use computer files. And I will choose this image. Now it's uploading. After it's upload, I will update my thumbnail. And here I can use an Unsplash photo. I don't actually think it's as important as the cover photo. So it's just a thumbnail which is used as an image, an outside image for your own product. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will just use Unsplash just to show you the two ways, and not because I am convinced of using Unsplash for such things. So here is the picture of my product. And here I can see how this page will look like in front of my consumers. This is what they will see. And now I will upload a thumbnail, and as I said, I will use Unsplash for the sake of the tutorial. And for Unsplash, I will just write that I want to search for black t-shirt image, and I will use any photo that I can see of a black t-shirt. So now let's scroll down. Okay, I can use this one, for example. And here it has been uploaded. So next you need to update your product info, like call to action, which is the button that will be shown to the consumer when he wants to buy your product. So it can be, I want this, buy this, or pay. I prefer I want this. It's so catchy. And you can also add a summary. You can add additional details. And here you can integrate to other apps like Circle and Discord server. Here you can control your pricing. And here you can offer variations of this product, as if I can actually offer some other sub-products of this product. So it may be like some accessories which is related to this t-shirt. However, I'm just gonna leave it blank. And next you have the settings here, which you can enable or disable. So I'm gonna just enable this one to allow customers to choose a quantity. I will also allow this one, the refund policy, and I will make just 14-day money back guarantee. So the consumer can only return the product after only 14 days from its payment. So here I can also add any additional details. However, I'm just going to leave it blank. And this is how the page will look like. So now I'm just going to go to the content, and here you can add any additional content which will be written beside these cells. So I will just leave it blank. However, you can edit any text. You can add the text you want. You can even add any files related to your product. So now, after you are done, you just need to save changes, or you can publish and continue to make your product available. And so here it has been published successfully, and you are able to share it in Twitter, in Facebook, or you can just copy URL. So let's copy URL and see how it looks like. One second, I think I took the wrong URL. Let's copy this and paste it. I will just go to Google and I'm going to press enter now. Yeah, actually, this is the one. I didn't know why I felt I made a mistake. It was the right one from the beginning. So this is how our page will look like. So let's say you don't like this appearance, or you don't like this background, so you can change it. How you can change it? Let's return back to Gumroad and let's navigate to settings here. Now let's go to profile, and here you can edit how this page will look like. So let's just go down. We can update our logo here. I can just delete this, and I can upload my logo from my own PC, and I will choose this one. I can also connect to any platform like Twitter. And now here you can design the fonts, and here you can design the background color. I want to make it white to be suitable with the background of the t-shirt itself. So I chose the white, and then now I will update settings, and I will go to my t-shirt page, and I will refresh it and see how it looks like. Bingo! Now it has been changed to white, so this makes a little bit a better appearance. So you can also see all these cells which are related to your product. Here the consumer can order the quantity he wants. He can order from here, and here is the cost, and here is the return or refund policy. So this is basically how we did it and how we updated our product. Now if you want to receive payments, there is only one step left: to go to your settings and to go to payments, and here you can just check all these boxes and press on save. Then you can connect to your own PayPal or Stripe. And once you are done, and once you do this, you are all set to receive payments. So this is basically how you can make money from Gumroad. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.